Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Matthew Weltman. I have a unique combination of experience in the military as an intelligence specialist and over 24 years as an electrical engineer. All right, the Lighthouse team consists of myself. I'm there on the left. Consists of Eric Wagner. He is an advisor. John Baer, which is our designer, our technology specialist, and Eric Rowe. Eric is a expert in the field of emergency services. That's our customer essentially. He represents what the customer wants, so he's an expert in that. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is emergency services want to use drones. They use drones currently, but there's an FAA requirement that affects the current emergency services drone usage. That requirement is line of sight. Essentially, a pilot has to be on site to be line of sight with the UAV. That kind of negates the added benefit of being able to automatically deploy a drone and get it to the emergency site quick, fast, so they can make decisions based on what the emergency actually is. This increases overall costs because you have to have a certified and trained pilot 24/7. In some cases, you'll have multiple pilots. The current solutions, if you piece together a bunch of current solutions, which are out there, it's an integration mess. It costs a lot of money, and it's a one-off design every time. Okay, that's the problem space. So what's the solution? If you look at the National Airspace Architecture, you'll see it's got a lot of components. There's radar, weather data, command and control, GPS, communications. It's a large-scale network of capabilities. And of course, to manage the airspace beneath 400 feet, that's the management of the airspace above 400. To manage it beneath, we would have to replicate that capability. That's exactly what Lighthouse did. We replicated that capability. We were able to put all those components in a low-scale virtual control tower. That virtual control has radar, optical, communications, and weather data as well. Okay. Our architecture consists of three major parts. The virtual control tower is one of them. The UAV is another. And the centralized command and control center is the third. I apologize for my voice. I lost it last night. Okay. The key to this virtual control tower is it's low cost and it's scalable. The VCT will be about $75,000, and our target profit margin is 40%. Okay, the second part of this architecture is the operation station. That's a centralized C2 center that enables point, click, and fly capability. So no trained pilots, no expert UAV people. This is intended for the person who dispatches the emergency services. They can get the intelligence, the SA, and dispatch the proper service in a timely manner. The third part of this, which is already designed, is a UAV. It's part of a fully integrated solution. The virtual control tower, the AI-driven C2 software, and for safety features, you have parachute and collision avoidance is built in as part of it. Okay. Our business model is affordability, and more important, life-saving benefits. They don't just want this capability, they need it. Our company is going to be the only one to provide the out-of-the-box solution to solve this complex problem. It's also can be integrated into a larger statewide air management system, and that gives the FAA total airspace situational awareness above 400 feet and below 400 feet, which obviously is valuable. Our target markets are municipalities that have over 2,000 citizens, and we estimate the installation cost to be about $350,000. The good thing is the Department of Justice is granting $750,000 to support first responder drones. We think there's roughly 477 target municipalities in Ohio and over 90,000 in the United States. Okay, our initial addressable market is 167 million. That is Ohio. Our total addressable market is 14.8 billion for first responder launch market. We will capture 105.4 million of the market space in the first 5 years. As you can see down on the bottom right, we are targeting a net profit of 40% by 2025. Okay, our initial pilot is going to be with the city of Hilliard, Ohio. In that installation, there's going to be 7 virtual control towers, 2 drones supporting 13.5 square miles. And we have spent the last year developing this strategy with FAA and Hilliard, along with some other municipalities. What's really interesting is our solution enables municipalities to generate revenue. As you can imagine, Amazon, UPS, they want to use an automated drone or automated drones to deliver packages. That's a huge part of their future. But this is the problem statement for us is the problem statement for them. So we solve their problem for them. Also, if you just reduce the personnel and operating expenses, the municipalities can recoup costs in under 4 years. All right, our strategic timeline. From last spring to this spring, we've been working with the city of Hilliard. We've done the engineering analysis. We've done the customer discovery process, the prototyping and testing. And then we won a $100,000 award for TVSF, and they were nice enough to hire me as CEO. That's it. Thank you very much.